Top 5 Awesome Gaming Cases Under $50. Introduction. When building a gaming rig, the choice of a gaming case is crucial. Not only does it house all your components, but it also contributes to the overall aesthetics of your setup. For budget-conscious gamers, finding an awesome gaming case under $50 may seem challenging, but fear not. In this video, we'll present the top 5 gaming cases that provide excellent features, functionality, and style, all without breaking the bank. 1. Cooler Master Masterbox Q300LL. The Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L is a compact and sleek gaming case that delivers a remarkable gaming experience. Priced under $50, it boasts a high level of build quality and functionality. Its magnetic dust filters help keep your components clean, while the transparent acrylic side panel showcases your gaming hardware in all its glory. Despite its smaller form factor, the Masterbox Q300L can accommodate powerful components, including full-size GPUs and multiple storage drives. 2. NZXT510. The NZXT510 is a popular choice among gamers for its modern design and smart cable management features. Priced attractively under $50, this case offers a premium look and feel. The front I/O panel includes a USB 3.1 Type-C port, ensuring compatibility with the latest peripherals. The H510 also features a removable radiator mounting bracket, which simplifies the installation of liquid cooling solutions. The tempered glass side panel completes the package, offering a clear view of your gaming rig's internals. 3. Phanteks Eclipse 300. The Phanteks Eclipse P300 is a budget-friendly gaming case that doesn't compromise on style or performance. This case's sleek, minimalistic design is complemented by an RGB illuminated power button. Its metal exterior exudes durability, while the spacious interior accommodates various cooling configurations, including water cooling radiators. The P300 also comes with Velcro cable ties and plenty of cable management options, making it easy to achieve a clean and tidy build. 4. Corsair 275R Airflow. The Corsair 275R Airflow offers excellent airflow to keep your gaming components cool during intense gaming sessions. Priced competitively under $50, it comes equipped with a full-length PSU shroud and multiple tie-down points for cables. The tempered glass side panel provides a premium touch, while the 3 included 120mm fans ensure optimal airflow. The 275R Airflow supports radiators up to 360mm, making it ideal for water cooling enthusiasts. 5. Rosewill Cullinan MX. The Rosewill Cullinan MX is an eye-catching gaming case that combines aesthetics with performance. Priced below $50, it features a dual-chamber design that separates the power supply and storage drives from the main components, resulting in better airflow and cable management. Its 4 pre-installed fans and support for additional cooling options ensure efficient heat dissipation. The Cullinan MX also has a tempered glass side panel and integrated RGB lighting, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Conclusion. Gaming enthusiasts on a budget can still find an awesome gaming case under $50 that offers a perfect blend of style, performance, and functionality. The Cooler Master Masterbox Q300LA NZXT510, Phanteks Eclipse P300, Corsair 275R Airflow, and Rosewill Cullinan MX are all solid choices that cater to gamers' needs without putting a dent in their wallets. So, go ahead and pick the one that best suits your gaming setup and start building your dream gaming rig.